The world can never have enough of good deeds, क्योंकि बूंद बूंद से ही सागर बनता है और इसकी कोई सीमा नहीं होती. Hello everyone, Namaste. The year 2020 has been a very difficult year, challenging year for most of us. We have faced ups and downs, but through this platform of Innervale, we have been connected to each other, we have spread positivity, we have boosted each other up, and we have been there for our happiness and sorrows. I am Manisha Kaushik, District ISO 301. It has been a boon for me to remain connected and to know you all in spite of the fact that we have not met physically. It's a bonding which is growing time by time. Good deed is the need of the hour and each one of us must do our contribution. Through Innervale, we can do these good deeds and we are doing these good deeds through various projects, spreading a ray of hope and warmth all across to the most underprivileged, unfortunate people. Each one of us, if we do our deeds well, we can take it forward so much. Let us all take a pledge today to do these good deeds, to spread this ray of hope and happiness, bringing smiles to the underprivileged and less fortunate. I have done mine. Have you done yours?
Raneen Mohapatra hai, and I'm your Club ISO for Faridabad Central Innervale Club 2020-21. Good deed for me to help poor and needy, under and less privileged people. So just go and reach out all of them.
Last year has been tough for all of us. I've tried my best by helping young girls in an orphanage, dear to my heart, by helping them with utility staff and celebrating special occasions like Diwali and Christmas and bringing smiles to their faces. Let's make 2021 better for ourselves and the people around us.
इन परिस्थितियों में हमें दूसरों का सहयोग जरूर करना चाहिए. इस साल ओल्ड एज होम जाके एवं बच्चों के एनजीओ में जाके जो खुशी मिली है उनके साथ मस्ती करके वो आपको शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Dear friends, in this unique and challenging situation like pandemic, school online classes for underprivileged children is like facing one more challenge. Helping these children gives me immense pleasure and happiness. Spread smiles in whichever way you can.
कटते वृक्ष छटती हरियाली, कर रही पुकार, पेड़ लगाओ. हमने अपने घरों के फलों के बीजों से अनगिनत पौधे बनाए और उसको पेड़ों की शक्ल में अपने चारों तरफ लगाया. हमने तो पर्यावरण की रक्षा के लिए एक कदम बढ़ाया. और आपने?
This pandemic time, friends feel like finding a great sport for life, and friendship makes us valuable happiness for ourselves.
Hi friends. In this pandemic situation, maintaining personal hygiene is essential for social and psychological or just a way of life. Healthy minds make healthy life. Stay healthy, stay safe.
I was so relieved when I saw the sparkles in the maid's eyes when I washed all the utensils to give her some relief. I have done my deed, now it's your turn.
I think the greatest gift anyone can give someone is the gift of knowledge or education. Gyandan Mahadan. The year just got better as me and my club members contributed towards this by providing several gadgets to the underprivileged children for their online education.
मेरा स्वेटर जो मैं अब नहीं पहनती थी, मेड को पहनने को दिया. स्वेटर की गर्मी और उसके चेहरे की खुशी, यही मेरी एक गुड डीड है.
हमें हमेशा सबकी मदद के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए. हमने कोरोना काल में अपने सफाई कर्मचारी और गार्ड्स को हमने राशन दे के हेल्प की.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस साल मेरी गुड डीड रही है कि मैंने गरीब लोगों को कई बार पुलाव बनाकर बांटा, जैसे कि वर्कर और कामवालियाँ. उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा खाकर, तो इसलिए मुझे भी मेरे चेहरे पे भी स्माइल रही.
to bring smile on the faces of underprivileged children, I arranged for a small Christmas party in their colony by sending them gifts of woolen socks and caps, along with some chocolates, snacks, and decorations for a tree. I made sure that the children did not miss on their early celebration, for which they wait whole day. It gave me immense pleasure to do the same. I did mine and now I do.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं हमारे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज कम होते जा रहे हैं, तो एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन होने के नाते और प्रकृति प्रेमी होने के नाते मैंने अपने घर में, अपने घर के आसपास बहुत से प्लांट्स लगाए हैं। मैंने अपने बच्चों को, अपने बच्चों के दोस्तों को और उनकी आगे फैमिलीज़ को इस चीज़ के लिए इनकरेज किया है कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्लांट्स लगाएं और अपने नेचर को बचा के रखें। थैंक यू।
मेरे लिए वीरांगनाओं और वॉर मदर्स को सोसाइटी में एक पहचान और सम्मान दिलवाना और साथ ही ऑर्फनेजेस के उन बच्चों को एक नया घर और एक नया परिवार दिलवाना ही गुड डीड है।
बौद्धिक विकास के साथ हमारा जुड़ना और उनकी नन्ही सी चाहतों का पूरा होना, वो वाईफाई के सिग्नल्स और स्टोरी टेलिंग की खुशी, उनकी खिलखिलाती आवाज की गूंज, उनकी हंसी मेरा दिल ले गई, उनकी मुस्कुराहट मेरा मन छू गई, मेरे दामन में सुकून और तसल्ली की फुहार दे गई।
Everyone, Happy New Year to all of you. For me, good deed is to spread the smile and happiness of underprivileged family to our society. I am doing mine. Have you done your?
ये अच्छा काम है किसी के चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट लाना, स्ट्रीट चिल्ड्रन और जरूरतमंद लोगों की सहायता करना ताकि उनके मुरझाए हुए चेहरे खिल सकें।
Helping the underprivileged children with their studies in these challenging times gives me immense pleasure.
To know about the new projects through which we can help the poor by meeting and talking to new ISOs within districts and outside the districts. Thank you.
Hello friends, the spirit of Rotary is in my genes. My grandfather was the Rotary Governor of India in 1958, which included the districts of India and Pakistan, and my mother a past president. I have been in Innerville for the last 20 years. It teaches us about service above self, and our duty is to help others to help themselves. Eyes are the windows of the soul, and in my humble effort to light up somebody's life, I have sponsored a cataract surgery. I have done my good deed for the day. Have you?
इन परिस्थितियों के माध्यम से इनरव्हील क्लब में स्मार्टफोन के जरिए मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा जिसको मैं शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकती।
There is nothing like helping and sharing joy with others. I felt so good helping a poor child with a cycle, and then we had good fun with young children of Dreamland Foundation, Sarita Bihar, with whom celebrated Christmas this year.
Innerville greetings to everyone. It is rightly said, selfless giving is the art of living. With an endeavor to live with it, I am teaching free of cost to those who deserve it but can't afford it. I taught my domestic help for 8 years, and now she is a graduate with diploma in acupressure and earning a decent amount every month. I am very happy to the core of my heart, and I strongly believe that giving or doing something for others is the rent we all must pay for living on this planet. Thank you.
तुमसे मुझ तक, मुझसे तुम तक जाएगा संदेश हमारा, कैसा भी दुख का सागर हो मिल जाएगा कोई किनारा।
हर दिन को एक यादगार बनाना है। हसनपुर जैसी प्यारी नगरी में गरीब लोगों में गर्म कपड़ा बांट के जो खुशी मिली है उसको मैं शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकती।
Helping the person battling the habit of alcoholism and persuading them to join Shafa Home and De-Addiction Center, I wish to improve many lives.
इस बार हमने क्रिसमस पे बच्चों को कैप्स, स्वेटर, सॉक्स और चप्पलें दी हैं उन बच्चों के चेहरे की खुशी देख के बहुत सेटिस्फेक्शन मिला।
When you perform acts of kindness, it doesn't just help others, it is good for you too. Doing good deed, no matter how small it is, makes you feel better. One good deed can lead to another. So, pass it on and make a positive change.
Every time you do a good deed, you have a shine of light into the dark. With this aspect, I have enlightened many people who have the wrong concept of medical illness, and I have also provided food supplements to the needy person. And last but not the least, I have taken a good and caring time with my family and friends. Thank you.
इस साल सर्दियों में मैंने हाथ से स्वेटर बनाकर अपनी काम वाली को दिया है, उसे भी और मुझे भी बहुत खुशी मिली है।
It's a chain of good deeds. Had never thought that this chain would become so big. Each one adding, doing their bit. It went on and it became such a big chain. Just like each drop adds to an ocean, making it big. Same is the case with the deeds we do. Each person contributing makes a big difference. So let's do what we want to get back. Let's sow what we want to reap. Thank you.